Good morning. Let us start the next chapter, that is waste management. In the recent days, in the recent world, the most important, most problem, the very vast problem is the disposal of a waste. Because in the earlier days, most of the waste was dumped in the outer region of the society where the people does not residize. Mainly the outer region of the city, the waste is dumped. And naturally, because the population was less at that time, that land was kept like that only, and it decomposed naturally and mixes in the soil. The common practice was done in the earlier days. But with the advancement, with the development, we having a very less land, and mainly the land which is away from the residential area. So now the biggest problem is the disposal of this waste, where to dispose. Secondly, in the earlier days, the waste was very general waste, does not contain any toxic. But now we having a waste, most of the waste contain the many toxicity, mainly the domestic waste also. If we see, when having a very toxic waste, like we expiry medicines, the color and the paint which we use in the house, the waste, this type of a waste is very hazardous in the nature. We having also the hospital waste, where the expiry medicines, the syringe, the sample of a blood and the tissues, all these are the medical waste is also hazard in the nature. And also the waste which comes from the industry, mainly the chemical waste, when it was dumped in the open, naturally it affect the environment. So now these days we having a very much problem of the disposal of a waste material. We will see what is the impact of the human of this waste of the surrounding. First of all, we see the spoilage of a landscape. Spoilage of a landscape means when it was dumped in the open, in the any reason, we having now having many rodents, we having many animals. If you have seen the cow, buffaloes, always goes to the places and they spread this waste to a vast area. So whenever it was kept in the open, it spoils the landscape. The beauty of the land goes because of this waste, because it was spread by the animals. It was a first problem. The second thing, what happens when the rainfall occurs, it mixes with the rain waters, and it mixes with the river water. It spoils all the river water because of this waste material. Secondly, when it was decomposed, it mixes with the soil. It makes the soil infertile. That soil was really not used afterwards for the agriculture because it becomes totally infertile. This waste also mixes with the rainwater and seepage into the ground and mixes with the groundwater. It also creates the water pollution. So this is, and also when they decompose, they give the, of course they give the bad odor, but also release many harmful gases like methane, which pollutes the air. So when it was dumped in the open, it not only spoiled the land, beauty of the land, but also it creates the water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution. So we have to take a very proper steps to dispose all this type of a waste, because because they totally spoil the landscape because of this pollution. Now, one by one we will see all type of a pollution. First of all, we take about the air pollution. Air pollution, most of the pollution, air pollution can be categorized. First of all, we see the two categories, the primary pollution and the secondary pollution. Primary pollution is a pollution which is a simply mixes in the air, and they makes the quality of our air decreases, like the smoke. The simple example, smoke which comes from the industry, when it goes in the atmosphere, it pollutes, it mixes with the air and it makes one layer. That is a one pollution known as a primary pollution. While the secondary pollution is another type of a pollution, when the different gases released from the earth and it mixes with the gases of the atmosphere, and they react with that gases and they create a new substance, and they are more harmful. This type of a pollution is known as a secondary pollution. Example, if you know, the ozone gas, which is created very close to the earth's surface, and it is a harmful because it does not allows the earth to escape the heat energy. So this was one of the problem, formation of ozone near the earth surface. So these are the two type of a problem, two type of a pollution, primary pollution and the secondary pollution. Now most of the air pollution, the problem of the air pollution, if you see, we having uh, acid rain, global warming, depletion of ozone layer and the smog formation. This effect, this what are the effect, this we will do in the next session. Thank you.